There's something truly magical about sowing a tiny seed and watching it transform into a vibrant edible plant. Growing your own vegetables from seed offers a unique satisfaction, connecting you directly to the food you nourish your body with. Imagine stepping outside and harvesting fresh, flavorful vegetables, bursting with goodness, free from harmful chemicals. You control the entire process, ensuring the highest quality and freshest produce gracing your table. Beyond the delicious flavors and peace of mind, starting a garden from seed is a fantastic way to save money. Seeds are incredibly affordable, especially compared to buying seedlings or mature plants. Choosing the right seeds is the first step on your gardening journey. The options are vast and exciting, with countless varieties of vegetables to suit every taste and garden size. Begin by considering your local climate and growing season. Some vegetables, like tomatoes and peppers, thrive in warm weather, while others, like lettuce and spinach, prefer cooler temperatures. Research which varieties grow best in your region and when to sow them for optimal results. Don't be afraid to experiment with different varieties. Explore heirloom seeds for unique flavors and fascinating histories, or opt for disease-resistant hybrids for easier maintenance. Before sowing your precious seeds, it's crucial to create a nurturing environment for them to germinate and thrive. Start by choosing a location that receives ample sunlight, at least 6 hours per day for most vegetables. Loosen the soil with a garden fork or tiller to a depth of 12 to 18 inches, breaking up any clumps and removing rocks or debris. Enriching the soil with organic matter is vital for healthy plant growth. Incorporate compost, well-rotted manure, or leaf mold into the top 6 inches of soil. Once you've prepared the soil, it's time to sow your seeds. Using a trowel or your fingers, create shallow furrows or individual holes according to the planting depth specified on the seed packet. Gently place the seeds in the prepared spaces, ensuring they're evenly distributed. Planting your seeds, a step-by-step guide. Now that your soil is prepped and ready, it's time to plant those precious seeds and embark on your gardening adventure. First, read the seed packet. It contains valuable information on planting depth, spacing requirements, and estimated germination time. Following these guidelines is crucial for successful germination. Using a trowel or your fingers, create shallow furrows or individual holes according to the recommended planting depth. For tiny seeds, simply sprinkle them evenly over the soil surface. Gently place 1 or 2 seeds in each hole or furrow, ensuring they're evenly spaced. Lightly cover the seeds with soil, using your hand or the back of a rake to gently press down the soil, ensuring good seed-to-soil contact. Using a watering can with a fine rose or a gentle spray nozzle, thoroughly moisten the soil without dislodging the seeds. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged throughout the germination period. Nurturing your seedlings, light and water. Congratulations, you've successfully planted your seeds, and now it's time to provide the optimal conditions for them to germinate and flourish into healthy seedlings. Light. Most seedlings require at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily for optimal growth. If starting your seeds indoors, place them near a sunny window facing south, or supplement with artificial grow lights. Ensure the light source remains close to the seedlings, adjusting its height as they grow taller. Water gently but thoroughly whenever the soil surface feels dry to the touch. Using a watering can with a fine rose or a gentle spray nozzle helps prevent soil erosion and ensures even moisture distribution. Transplanting, giving seedlings their outdoor home. Transplanting your seedlings outdoors is a significant milestone in their growth journey. It's essential to handle them with care during this transition to ensure they continue to thrive in their new environment. Before transplanting, gradually acclimate your seedlings to outdoor conditions through a process called hardening off. Start by placing them in a shaded, sheltered spot for a few hours each day, gradually increasing their exposure to sunlight and wind over a week or two. The ideal time to transplant depends on your local climate and the specific vegetable variety. Generally, it's best to wait until after the last frost has passed and the soil has warmed up. Choose a location that receives adequate sunlight and has well-drained soil. Dig holes slightly larger than the seedling's root ball, spacing them according to the recommended guidelines on the seed packet. Gently remove the seedlings from their containers, taking care not to damage the roots. Place them in the prepared holes, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. After transplanting, water the seedlings thoroughly to settle the soil and encourage root establishment. Continue to provide regular watering, especially during dry periods, to support their growth.